Hi there, Savewith Crypto here. Okay, so yesterday I did a video where I was trying to sort of use these sort of EMAs to sort of find a bottom. I think we were over here at the time. Yeah, it's about like 6:30 in the evening, and it was okay actually. I think I managed to sort of get in a bit of a long there, and then it went up to there. I had a stop loss set in profit, so when it came down, it just closed with like minimal profit, but it was nevertheless profit. Since then, we've come down quite horrifically, actually, down as low as below 49k, actually. So that's been a phenomenal dump. Is it over? I don't know, but I thought I'd trade it a bit meanwhile. Once again, using these EMAs. If you don't know what I'm talking about here, look at the video that's linked to at the end of this video, and it will show you how to set these indicators up. Or indicator, actually, it's just one indicator with 3 EMAs showing. And these are the 55, the 21 and the 9. What I'm looking at here is on the 7-minute time frame is this nice crossover here of the yellow going over the green. Now, when you've got the kind of cyan, yellow, green, that signifies that you're in a trend and everything's going well. So at the moment, the trend is to the upside. So consequently, I went long a little while ago. I went long here. It's currently 19% in profit. It's not a huge trade, so that's about $23 in profit, which is okay. I'm going to try and add to it a little bit if it comes back to this level here, which is 53,791. So if it comes back here, this order will add to the existing one here, and that will obviously move my entry level up a bit. Now, I don't think we're necessarily going to get like an amazing V-shaped recovery all the way from here, but I do think, we might get a few sort of like little pumps, then further dumps, little pumps and further dumps. And my intention is just to try and scalp these and make a bit of money. What I really want to see is in the next few days is like a proper sort of like consolidation at quite a low level, like 50k or 45k or whatever it might be. And at that point, then that's kind of forming a bit of a bottom, and then you'll be looking for a double bottom, then maybe a move back up to the upside for real. Now, as you know, all this dump was caused by the Japanese stock market, which is in a complete mess. The country's been in a mess for quite a few years, actually. It's got really like dreadful inflation, all that kind of thing. Which is odd because I always thought it was doing okay, Japan, but apparently it's not. Okay, so this is about an hour or so on, and this is the 10-minute time frame. And here you can see that the yellow has crossed the green, which is good. The cyan is leading the way, which is great. And the price is now at 54,357. You see, what I want to see this happen in like bigger and bigger time frames. So, for example, if I was to go and look at the 15-minute now, you can see that the yellow hasn't crossed the green there. Now, if that does, then I will probably add more to my trade. If not, then I will consider closing it, as it might sort of roll over and come back down. So that's the way I'm playing it at the moment. So over here, I've got the stop loss there. Currently 12.93% in profit, which is $32. So I might just move this up a little bit and continue like that. And that's what I'm going to do for the moment. So I'm only going to stay in a trade as long as I've got it protected with the stop loss, either at break even or slightly in profit, because I think this probably could roll over at any point and we plummet to like 40,000 or so. That could happen, particularly if something like World War III breaks out or something even worse happens with the Japan situation. So at the moment, we just don't know if it's over or not. But meanwhile, I'm going to try and trade the volatility. It's not going to be easy. And it's not the sort of thing you can sort of like set up and then walk away from. You probably need to keep an eye on things and just be aware of what every little movement is all about. So probably not for the faint-hearted. But if you want to do this, do it over on Bitget. If you use my link, savewith.crypto.org/Bitget, you can get up to a $30,000 trading bonus. depending on the size of your deposit and your trading volume. If you're in a country where you can use Bybit, you can use Bybit as well. You also get a $30,000 trading bonus over there. You can get to that on savewith.crypto.org/Bybit. Okay, so I think I'll leave it there for the time being because I'm not sure exactly what is going to happen. But, you know, even if I close this right now and I made $32, I'd be happy. You know, my overall amount is up a little bit and I'm not in any hideous trades that are like, you know, 50% down or anything. So I'm reasonably happy. The economy might tank in the next month or so with like a global recession, but it might not. I think this is a black swan event. I think it is. I think this is the sort of thing you only see every few years, the last one being the FTX crash. So I would say, if you can, take maximum advantage of this because you might not see these prices again for a long time. Certainly the ones that go below 50 grand. I really thought that would never happen, but it did happen this morning. Okay, so if you've enjoyed that, please do give the video a like. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you've got the notification bell set on all. Do like the video, of course. Oh, I said that already, didn't I? But yeah, leave a nice comment and above all, tell your friends.